Oh. BabyBus. School bus. Hello, BabyBus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Have to equip the magical item. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag.
Welcome! Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Water bottle. Towel. Top. Pants. Here. Put the money into the coin slot.
Thank you for helping me get everything I need. I've got everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, BabyBus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go!
The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. Let's go take a photo.
Welcome!
Could you take my photo?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten admission. All right, let's go change clothes first.
Tap the screen to focus and make the picture clearer. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
What a nice picture.
Thanks. Tap the screen to focus and make the picture. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
That's a nice shot.
the bus. Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the hospital. Let's go! I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
BabyBus, go!
Let's go get a physical checkup. Check the heart rate. Place them based on their colors. Yes, that's the right place. Tap the button to match the color. Yes, that's it. The check is finished. Your heart rate is normal. Thanks. Check the weight and height. Mew Mew weighs 14 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers. Mew Mew's height, 83 centimeters. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers. Check the eyesight. Drag the magnifying glass and find the patterns. Yes, you found the pattern. Yes, you found the pattern. You've found all of them. You've got very good eyesight. Thanks. Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal. Duck. Kitten. Bird. Thanks. The physical checkup is done. Let's go to kindergarten. This is the classroom. We'll have lessons in a year. Let's introduce ourselves. I'm your teacher, Miss May May. My name is Mew Mew. I'm Kiki. My name is Hank. I'm Lulu. Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, and Lulu. Now that you've gotten to know each other, so you're friends now. Now, let's decorate our classroom. Hang your favorite picture on the wall. Put the correct ID photo according to the shadow on the frame. Wow, nice pictures. The classroom looks beautiful now. Now it's time to play with toys. Go pick your favorite toy. Let's play with toys. Wow! It's so fun! Wait for me! Hey, I'll get you! Wait, stop! Check this out! Oh no, my ball! This is fun! Cool! Everyone has done a great job today. Now let's give a little red flower to the best behaved kid. Which kid would you like to give the red flower to? Which kid would you like to give the red flower to? Thanks! School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now.
Okay.
Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye, Miss Maymay. Goodbye.
BabyBus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, BabyBus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.